Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about all the kind of day creams or moisturizers we guys use, like the best ones according to me, and all of them are drugstore. Like I'm not into wasting like 3,344,000 rupees on one product. I'm not that kind of person. I might not having that kind of money too. I don't spend that kind of money. So all of these 5, 6, 7 moisturizers or day creams are, or night creams, day creams, whatever, skincare creams are drugstore, and they are amazing. I have used all of them. I can tell you, I don't think so they have any kind of negative effects on skin. I've tested them on oily skin and dry skin and acne prone skin too. Like my husband has a oily skin, or I have a dry skin, or there might be acne sometimes in some months of the year. And so I have used them like throughout the year. I've been using it. There might be some of these which I'm using on like the second time, the second bottle, the second tub. So yes, these are the repetitive products of mine which I really like and I swear by. So let's start with the video. Okay, first of all, moisturizing, it is very important. Moisturizing is using a moisturizer before makeup, and even if when you're not applying makeup, after washing your face, before sleeping at night, and after cleansing your face, after taking a bath. Like moisturizer is something which you need to have on your face all the time. You need to keep your skin hydrated like your body. So secondly, right now about my face, I have applied Color Bar primer, and after that I have applied the Lakme Wet and Dry compact foundation, which is like a compact plus concealer plus foundation. I have dabbed it with a brush like a powder. It is a powdered product, you guys know about it. It's 750 rupees maybe, and it's perfect dupe of MAC Studio Fix. After that I applied a little blush on Maybelline, and I applied Nykaa Molten Matte. I don't know what is the shade name, but this is the shade color. I have actually smudged it. Like I have not applied it completely dark color. I have applied a little and then I have just dabbed it with my finger. And I have made the winged liner just for fun. No mascara, no shadow. I have made eyebrows normally with a brush and a dark brown or dark gray eyeshadow. And this liner is actually Himalaya Kajal, and I used a brush to apply from Himalaya Kajal and make this winged liner. I go for herbal kajals only. I have told this like unlimited number of times. Like I have told this so many times that I go for herbal kajals only. I use only herbal kajals. Maybe like Himalaya or Lotus or VLCC. So I really like these only. I don't go for Maybelline ka kajal or Lakme ka gel kajal or Lakme ka or L'Oreal ka kajal. I don't. When I apply them on my waterline, my eyes are very sensitive, so I can't go for them. Okay, let's go to the video and our main content today, which is about the hydration moisturizing. So first of all, every one of you who watch my channel and watch my videos, they know that I'm a very big fan of biotic products, of course, because they are herbal again. So I have 3 creams of biotic which I really use like again and again and again. So first of all is this one. This is a biotic bio coconut whitening and brightening cream. I don't know if it's whitening, but it's definitely brightening. When you apply it, your face has a natural shine to it, and its price is around 200 for 50 grams. Very economical. Nykaa से मिल जाएगा, and discount भी काफ़ी बार इस पे 20, 15, 20, 25, 10, 30% भी होता है. So very good products of biotic. And this is my second bottle, and this is also more than half finished. So yes, I applied before makeup, after washing my face, before sleeping. जब मेरा दिल करे, I keep on applying this again and again and again. So second biotic cream which I use a lot is biotic Bio Saffron Youth Cream. So this is of saffron. It is 270, a little more pricey than that one, and again 50 grams. And this is my first bottle, but I am using it like a lot. So this is also, it has beautiful fragrance. Biotic products, like products of biotic, have amazing fragrances. They are beautiful. So this is again a very beautiful product. This is the saffron cream, like a Bio Saffron Youth Dew Cream Visibly Ageless Moisturizer. So I don't know about the ageless part. Nothing can stop aging. It's just you should age like a wine. okay? But aging, you cannot stop aging with any cream or anything, or even with surgeries or whatever, what actors and actresses do. You cannot stop aging. It's the biggest truth. So this is the coconut one, and this is the saffron one. So kabhi ye, sometimes this and sometimes this. I recently saw that my channel is watched by some like foreign people too. Like there's a girl who watches my channel and she comments, so I have started talking in English more, considering she's a very good makeup artist, and she comments me and she follows me. Even in 73 subscribers, I am having some very precious people with me who are actually bigger people, like so big people having thousands of lakhs of followers. And if they follow me, that's a big thing for me. So if I speak in Hindi, I don't think they'll going to be understanding that. That's for you, queen. And so these both are amazing, and we Indians are also educated, we can understand English, right? So these two, Biotic. The third Biotic product which I use a lot is this one. This is Biotic Bio Morning Nectar. It is called Morning Nectar. According to them, we should use it like after we wake up in the morning, or wash your face, or even if without washing. So in the morning we should use it. This is called Morning Nectar, but I use it whenever I feel like. It is for visibly flawless skin moisturizer for all skin types. It's 100% Ayurvedic. You see lighter, you line less, and you replenish your skin. So this is 200 rupees for how much ml? 120 ml. So it is not a cream, this is a moisturizer. Difference between cream and moisturizer is that creams are little hard. You take it on the tip of your finger and they stay there. Moisturizer, they drip. Moisturizer are little running, you know, they are runny, they drip like water or, you know, milk. So moisturizers are always dripping, they are not like cream, you know. Creams are supposed to be hard, creams are hard, so they are generally in bottles, you know, these kind of bottles. So even if you open them and you do this, they don't fall. But moisturizers, if you open the big mouth of the moisturizer and you invert the bottle, it will drip down. So that is the difference between moisturizer and cream. The main point is they should be hydrating, moisturizing, that's it. It doesn't matter you use a cream or a moisturizer, you use before makeup, after makeup. You cannot use after makeup, sorry, or anytime. So yeah, these three are the Biotic products I use. Next is, let's jump to Faces Canada. So the next moisturizer I use is the Hydro Moisturizer of Faces Canada. Its name is Hydro Moisturizer. It hydrates and conditions. It has anti-aging actions, which again I don't know if it's true or it's just written. It contains SPF 15. That is great, you know, that is actually very great. So the sunlight, it penetrates through your makeup, but it then cannot harm your skin to that extent, because the moisturizer we are wearing underneath our makeup is this one. So it's 100 ml for 600 rupees, and you're not gonna get discount ever on this. So yeah, this is a pump, and this is very hard also. Like, it is a moisturizer, but it is hard like cream. I really like hard consistency of creams and moisturizers. So yeah, its fragrance is very good. It has the best fragrance amongst all the moisturizer or day creams I'll be showing you. Why I'm saying day cream? So I love this. This is very hydrating. The biggest point is when I apply it before makeup and I apply my makeup on it, after even 4 hours, I don't feel cracky or dry or, you know, irritated. I don't feel like that. So it means it is actually very hydrating. Even after going out for like 4-5 hours, having makeup, exposing to sunlight or air condition or whatever, or wind or whatever, this actually stays on your face. So very good product. I am going to buy it again. Repetitive product. So the next one is, okay, this is one of my most favorite. It is very runny, watery moisturizer. It is the hydrating lotion, the Faces shop. Chia seeds बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. Chia seeds are of utmost importance. Even if you intake them in different recipes like eatable stuff, there are a lot of things which are available in Indian street food which have chia seeds in it. So they're very good to intake, to eat, and they're very good for skin also. I don't know what they're called in Hindi language. I just know that chia seeds, I know which seeds are they. So this is 50 ml. 50 ml, sorry, this is 130 ml. I am blind. This is such a big bottle, 130 ml, and it is for 1400 rupees, so a little pricey than the other ones. Like, not little, like good price. Like, if you have to pay around 1500 bucks for a moisturizer, so it is pricey. So you can apply it before makeup, you can apply it before sleeping, anytime you want. There is no condition about moisturizer. Like, there is no rule of hydrating your skin. You can hydrate your skin whenever you want. The only thing is, after finishing your makeup, you cannot apply moisturizer destroying your makeup. That's a common sense. So that's it. So Faces Shop, beautiful lotion, beautiful, very running, very watery, good fragrance, but the best fragrance is of Faces Canada. So the next one are these babies out here. These are Olay Total Effects. So this is 7-in-1 anti-aging cream, day cream, night cream. So the thing is, I don't apply day cream every day. I apply any one moisturizer, including this, any one of these, but I apply night cream every day. So by the time I finish one day cream, I finish 3 night creams in the same time. I have to buy 1 day cream and 3 night creams. So that is the thing, because night cream I apply every day, and day cream I have a lot of options. So these have anti-aging properties, I don't know, but the night cream is amazing. It is certain night firming cream. When you apply it on your skin and you sleep, you actually feel sensations on your skin. You actually feel that someone is holding your skin or someone is tightening your skin. It actually feels like that. I don't know whether it's doing its part, but there are a lot of sensations on your skin when you apply this one. Don't think it's kind of reaction or something. I think it's normal, because nothing has happened to my face. I've been using it since 2-3 months and nothing has happened. Since January I'm using, so nothing has happened. This is my second bottle, and thank God I ordered this one before lockdown. I finished the first one. Okay, this is the biggest packing they have. This is 50 grams, and 850, so 1700 for both. If you have to take, and there is no discount on it ever. Olay will never give you discount. They consider themselves luxury brand, so they don't give you discount. So the next one is Garnier Wrinkle Lift. I recently came across this. This is a beautiful, very, very cool kind of cream. You apply it on your skin before makeup or just anytime you want, even before sleeping. It actually, you know, makes your face glowy. When you apply it, this is actually a natural shine on your face, and this is very, 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 very hydrating. I have like tested it. I applied it before makeup, and I like just felt that at night my skin was still hydrated. I didn't have to apply it even second time. This is amazing. This is economical. It is 260 rupees for 40 grams, and I think this is, they don't give the bigger packing than this, and there might be 10% discount on it, not more than that. So Garnier is a very good brand, very, very good brand for hair and skin both. So Garnier Skin Naturals Wrinkle Lift. I don't know if lifts your wrinkle, but it is perfectly hydrating. Anti-aging cream, again the anti-aging part, I don't know what it is. So yeah, the next is this one, L'Oreal Skin Perfect Age 30 Plus, because I am 30 years old, and this is anti-fine lines and whitening cream. So whitening cream is stupidity to write something whitening cream. Nothing can make you white or black or brown. You know, the foreigners who are white people, they have to actually sit in the sun to get their skin tanned, you know. Likewise, we guys cannot make our skin white. If you want to get very fair, it's your choice. Like, I consider brown skin is the best, but yeah, if you want to go to like become very, very fair and white, you have to take injections. I don't think no cosmetic, no skincare product, no cream, no moisturizer can make you white in color. You know, this is the skin you're born with. So yeah, the only problem is this: it is not very hydrating. First of all, I don't really like this product. I don't apply it under makeup. It makes my makeup very sticky. So I use it because I use it when I don't have to apply makeup. Its only shortcoming is I don't consider it good before makeup, for hydrating your skin before makeup, like creating a base. I don't like this one because it has a lot of friction. It has a lot of adhesiveness with face, like a lot of friction when you apply it. It is not very, you know, easy to face. it doesn't like spreads or evenly on your face, and it's very very friction. It actually opposes your motion of hand on your face. It's very very rubby and that kind. But you can't apply makeup over it. Don't apply makeup over it. Just apply it as a cream. It is good. It is very good because it has SPF 21 PA. So that's a very good SPF for a cream. I have finished more than half of this tub, and this is beautiful. Fragrance is amazing. It is a little pricey. Obviously, it's 350. It's L'Oreal. So 50 grams for 350. So it's fine. And you can get 20% maybe discount sometime, occasionally, surprisingly. So this is a good one. I have one more lying in my vanity of this one. The last but not the least is this one, Lotus White Glow. I haven't opened it because I have all these options lying open with me. This one I just finished like 2 months before. I just finished one bottle of this. So it is 350, and it is what it is. I mean 60 grams for 350. So almost same as the L'Oreal one. I would say this is a little better option than L'Oreal, considering it gives a little less friction. But the thing is, actually makes your face a little glowy. You apply it, your skin becomes half shade fair when you apply both of this. When you apply both of these, not together like just one or this one or this one, you apply any one of this, you will actually fair. Your skin becomes half shade or one shade lighter. You become a little fair. So maybe they have bleach. I don't know, something they have in them. They have a little adhesiveness with face, and they have little friction. And this one is a little softer on face, the Lotus one. But this one, L'Oreal is very hard on face. But it's a good cream if you don't have to apply it before makeup. Same goes with, I don't apply this also before makeup. Every other I can apply before makeup, but these two I cannot. So it has beautiful fragrance, and it is completely herbal. So I would choose any day this one over this one. This actually uses my husband, you know. So my husband is using it, and I don't use it much. I use all that. If I have to use one which just make my face a little glowy, and I don't have to apply makeup, I don't need to apply makeup that day, I would go for this one. This is Skin Whitening and Brightening Deep Moisturizing Cream. Moisturizing is, yes, very good. It has SPF 20 again, so it is normal to dry skin. So that's my skin type. So great. So this was the video of all the day creams or night cream or moisturizers or lotions or hydration thing on my face. I use all these products. These are amazing. You can use any one of them, and you're not going to face any consequences on your face, because I have tested them a lot, like a lot, in every kind of weather. I've used them. I love them. These are all beautiful products. I swear by them, and I recommend them. So yeah, none of these are very very costly, or none of these are like CK or, you know, other kinds of big company moisturizers which are very 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 pricey. So yeah, this was the video for today. The hydration, which is on number one. It comes before makeup, it comes before facials, it comes before hair removing, it comes before everything. Moisturizing your face, hydrating your skin is the most important thing at all. I would choose moisturizing any day before makeup. Okay, yeah, I may choose, like I should choose actually. So moisturizing and hydrating your skin is the best thing you can do for your skin. So skipping this part will kill your skin. So the most important thing is moisturizing, hydrating, moisturizing, keeping your face hydrated again and again. So this was the video for today, and if you like the video, like it, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't know when. I am never certain when I'm going to come back. And stay tuned with me, and be home, be safe, and try to be happy, which is the most difficult thing in the world, to be happy. And yeah, take care, bye bye.